Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Wednesday, December 15th. It's time for our number corner. As we look at our calendar for the month of December, we have a lot of 3D shapes that we've discovered are around our homes. Let's see what we discovered this day. Wow, it's a roll of pennies. 50 cents worth of pennies. What 3D shape does it remind you of? I see a circle on one side of it. It might be the top or the bottom. And there may be another circle on the other end of it. It has no vertices, no corners, or no edges. What 3D shape do you think it is? Did you say cylinder? Very, very, very good, All Stars. It is a cylinder. We'll add that to our calendar grid. A roll of pennies. Very good. So we found a lot of things that are around our homes that are 3D shapes. As we continue to explore more and more about shapes, you're going to find that they really are everywhere. Let's now go to our days in school. We made it to 70 days in school yesterday. Incredible. Time to add on another day. Which will now make 71 days. 71 days in school. Can you think of a way to make 71? Let's do a few together, and then let's see what you come up with. 71 is a number. 71 as a number word. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, plus 1, 71 here. We have 60 plus 10 more, which is 70, plus 1 would be 71 here. And then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We need to add on a coin that's worth 1 cent. What's that called again? Good, if you said a penny. Very good. Now we have different ways to make 71. Can you think of a way to make the number 71? Will you use coins, pennies, nickels, dimes? Will you write a math equation? What will you do to show 71? We're going to pull one of our cards to find out. Will we do this activity in the AM, the time between 12 midnight and our lunchtime, which is 12 noon, or will we do it in the PM, which is from 12 noon until 12 midnight? Let's find out. Let's look at this very carefully. Looks like someone is watching TV. Would you watch TV in the morning, in the AM, or would you watch TV in the PM? Now, if you watch it in the morning, that means you're not sleeping during those early morning hours. If you wait until the afternoon to watch television, that means you're watching it after school is over. after you finish doing all of your activities. So watching TV is something we may do in the afternoon. Very good, All Stars. Very good. What I'd like to do right now is take you to a different activity to work on. We're going to go down and work on making more number trees. We did start this activity with some cards before. Now, here's what I want you to do. I have a challenge for you with Number Corner today. I want you to create the number tree and then write the math equation that goes along with it. For example, if we have a number tree here that has 14 as the big number with 7 on the top and 7 on the bottom, we could make a math equation, a math fact, to explain that, which would be 7 plus 7 equals 14. Or you could even write 14 minus 7 equals 7. I'll make it bigger so you can see that information. Move it over. But that's what I'd like you to do today. I'd like you to focus on creating math equations for each of the number frames that we have here. You have your number frame. If you need to make the number tree first to help you understand it, you may do that. But here is the number tree. We've taken this number tree and now we've made 2 math facts. An addition fact where we're adding and putting our plus sign to show those 2 numbers added together. And then we're making a subtraction fact where we're taking the answer and we are using the subtraction sign or the minus sign to show how we would subtract one of those numbers to get the other answer. I know you can do it. Off you go, Amazing All-Stars.